Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making.
Guys, this is the end results to the seafood pasta. And it tastes so delicious. Hello everyone. Today I will be making a seafood pasta. And these are the ingredients I will be needing to get this process started. I will need some extra virgin olive oil, some parsley flakes, garlic, accent, lemon pepper, crushed red peppers, butter, salted, minced garlic, white clam sauce, lump crab meat. I got, the lump crab meat, angel hair, noodles. Then I have some scallops, some fresh basil, shrimp, mussels. And these are the ingredients I will be using today to complete the pasta, the seafood pasta. So let's get the process started. So I already started boiling my water for the noodles. See that? I already have them, it's coming to a boil. So what I'm going to do with that is I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil in it to keep the noodles from sticking. I'm also going to add a little bit of salt to that water. Just a little bit. Salt to the water, just a little bit. I'm not going to use salt for anything else. But then I'm going to turn on this to medium heat, the front one, because this is going to be where I'm going to make all the seafood. I'm going to actually start this off with half of a stick of butter, salted butter. That's why I'm not going to add any salt to the seafood, because the butter is already salted and it's sweet, so I don't want to overdo it with any salt. So half of it, let that just come to a melt. So you can see it a little better. If you hear snoring, that's the dog snoring extremely loud. I guess she just slowed down because she heard me talking. Alright, this is about done. Almost. So what I'm going to do is add some minced garlic. 2 tablespoonfuls. And by the way, this is also made in olive oil. that heat up. Turn it up a little bit more. And I actually boiled 4 to 6 quarts of water. This is what you'll need for your noodles. See that thing starting to cook up. You're going to need like a tablespoon of crushed red peppers. That's about a tablespoon. Turn it down a little bit. That thing's starting to cook down. Tablespoon of my lemon pepper. Open it because it's not really coming out. Okay, that's about a tablespoon. Got a teaspoon of my accent. Teaspoon of garlic powder, the seasoning. It's going to have so many different flavors in it, guys. Tablespoon of parsley flakes. And now it's coming out slow. But look at all the colors. Alright, I'm going to add my basil, fresh basil to this. Stir everything in. Put it on 6 I'm going to actually start putting my seafood in and let this cook in there. I'm not going to add the sauce yet, the clam, white clam sauce yet. That's going to be actually glass. Everything's going like a slow. Now mind you, I'm putting all this up in here. That's a little bit more. So everything to get this flavor and seasoning. Mind you, the scallops will cook pretty fast. Now the mussels are already cooked, so I'm no rush to get that in here. Now that this, I'm gonna let this cook in there. I'm gonna show you guys. It's actually looking like how it looked just starting it off. I didn't even add the mussels to it yet because the mussels are already done, so they just really got to get it heat. And that's all they need is to be heated up. Look at that. Stir it around a little bit. You see that butter sauce that I made up? It's gonna be so good. Wait till we try it. It's gonna be amazing. So amazing. So I'm actually about to start adding the mussels soon. While I'm waiting for the shrimp and stuff to get all settled, I'm going to add the angel hair noodles. Alright, I don't want this to overcook too much. Now I'm going to add the mussels. See that? So in this seafood pasta we have mussels, scallops, shrimps, clams, and crab meat. These noodles get done fairly quickly because they're so thin. Some people here for approximately 8 minutes. Okay guys, so my noodles are actually done. They're done, ready. Now I'm going to add, I actually drained some of the salt juices because it made its own juices. I drained some of that out of there because I'm going to have a juice from the clam sauce. So I had to drain some of that out, and I'm also going to add the crab meat now, the lump crab meat. Woo, I told you this is going to be a nice seafood pasta. Have everything in there. Everything. Oops, I dropped the clam. Mmm. Good. Alright, let's get away. We're not going to have to use all the crab meat. So we got a lot of seafood going on here. Alright. Alright, since I got the crab meat in there, now I'm going to add the clam sauce. It's with extra virgin olive oil, so it got like a little oil to it. See? like a thick sauce. See all the baby clams coming out of there? I'm going to start gradually mixing it inside of the noodles. Alright. I know how to do it. I won't mix it inside there. I'll make a plate and show you guys how it should look. Add it. Guys, this is the end results to the seafood pasta. And it tastes so delicious. Alright, everybody. Thanks for watching my delicious meal. It is so good. You guys gotta try the recipe. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that post notification button so you'll know when the next video upload. Again, thanks for watching. Until next time. See ya.
Life in a world that keeps changing. Think that it's progress you're making. Copy and paste pretty faces.